This photograph was published yesterday in the Salt Lake Telegraph. This is the strawberry moon. The first full moon in the month of June is known as strawberry moon. I shot this photograph on the 10th of June. This has nothing to do with the color of the moon. This is named by the American tribes when strawberries ripen to harvest. Almost every full moon is to some extent reddish in color when it rises in the horizon. This can be explained as we see the sun red when it rises in the east, and also it again becomes red when it sets in the west. This is because of the reddish part of the VIBGYOR passes through the atmospheric dust particles, whereas the blue part is distracted by those. The amplitude of the red color light is bigger than the blue. Let us think of sticking a stick in the sea near the shore, protruding just above the waterline. We will observe that the smaller waves cannot pass through the stick, whereas the bigger waves goes on top of the stick. The same thing happens due to the atmospheric dust particles, that the red light passes over the dust particles and the blue light is distracted by the dust particles. This is the reason why we are instructed to be out in the sun in the morning to generate vitamin D in our body, because after that we start to get the ultraviolet light as well, which is not very beneficial. In this photograph, you can also see the metro rail commuting through its track while I have shot the photograph, whereas the second part is the original photograph which I have sent to the Telegraph. Of course, the printing in the newspaper is also not very bad. Hope you will like the photograph. Thanks for watching.